One of the crises in America today is people are sick and tired of filling out forms.
Recently, Senator Sanders aimed a vicious attack on forms, the people who fill them out, and freedom as we know it today. But the truth, Senator Sanders, is our economy needs forms, from the small business collecting orders to the university accepting applications. Forms are as American as baseball and barbecue. And as form providers, we know it's incumbent upon us to make filling out forms as painless as possible. That's why at Jotform, we offer intuitive form types that work on any type of device. We are running on a pro form platform that will help businesses, schools, and nonprofits collect the information that they so vitally need. Learn how you can get involved and support the cause by visiting www.jotform.com. Thank you, and God bless America.